Hello and welcome to the channel I Say Kids, for the kid within all of us who is curious to learn. Would you please subscribe to our channel and motivate us? I Say Kids presents the smallest countries of the world by area. We would start today with the 10th smallest country. Don't forget to keep checking the channel for other countries in the series of 10 smallest countries of the world, which would be uploaded very shortly. The 10th smallest country is Grenada. Before we move ahead, may I please ask for your forgiveness for my bad throat? I'm a little under the weather today. Please bear with me. Grenada is an island country in the West Indies in the Caribbean Sea at the southern end of the Grenadine island chain. Grenada consists of the island of Grenada itself, two small islands, Carriacou and Petite Martinique, and several small islands which lie to the north of the main island and are a part of the Grenadines. Its size is 348.5 square kilometers and it has an estimated population of 113,242. Some interesting facts about Grenada coming up your way. The capital of Grenada is St. George's. It is also known as the Island of Spice because of its production of nutmeg and maize crops. Talking of nutmeg and maize, do you know nutmeg trees are the only plant to give us two spices? Nutmegs are the actual seeds of the tree, while maize is the protective coating of the seed. Nutmeg trees reach their peak 20 years after being planted. Okay, tell me one thing. Do you know of any plant which gives us a spice and a herb? Let us know in the comment section below. Most of Grenada's terrain is made up from volcanic activity that would have taken place around 1 to 2 million years ago. Grenada has many beaches around its coastline, including the 3-kilometer long Grand Anse beach in St. George's, often hailed as one of the best beaches in the world. The highest peak is Mount St. Catherine, around 2,756 feet. There are many waterfalls like Annandale Waterfall, Mount Carmel, Concord, Seven Sisters, and Tufton Hall. Education. The best thing about this small island is the rate of education. The government has prioritized education, spending around 10% of its budget to the sector, the third highest rate in the world. More than 98% of the population is able to read and write. Well, that's quite a high literacy rate. Do you know this beautiful lady from Grenada? She is Jennifer Hostin, winner of Miss World 1970. Underwater Sculpture Park in St. George was conceptualized with the aim to help preserve the coral reef. It was first of its kind in the world. The sculptures serve as artificial reefs. Most of the sculptures were built from rebar and concrete, and over the years they have attracted an array of marine species in the areas where damaged reefs previously existed. The sculptures surprisingly blend well into the underwater environment. The underwater art tells its visitors cultural and historical stories relating to Grenada, and people view it via snorkeling and diving excursions. Bonus fact: This is one of the islands where you can find all three types of cocoa in Grenada's House of Chocolates in St. George's. Yum yum! Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. The weather is changing. Do take very good care of yourself. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Lots of love, Isa Kids.